Hi everyone, welcome back to the Getting Started series. I'm Sean, and in this lesson, we're focusing on regular blocks. Every block you add to your site is technically a regular block, but the distinction we'll make is how these blocks are used independently, without being connected to patterns or reusable component blocks, which we'll get into in the next two lessons. Regular blocks are standalone blocks added directly to a page or post, without links to any patterns or reusable components. They give you complete creative freedom to build whatever you want in individual areas of your site. These blocks are ideal for content you only need to use once or don't plan to reuse across other areas of your website. You'll use them frequently for areas like blog posts, global template parts, or in some cases, wrapping patterns or components in single one-off design elements. So, for example, I'm going to copy paste a whole bunch of content from our recent announcement, and I'm going to paste it into this post. And as we've demonstrated before, you can see that these have automatically converted into a variety of blocks. Now, these are regular blocks. These exist only here. And any changes I make to this content and its settings will only be changed or affected here. So for example, if I wanted to reduce this to an H4, and maybe I wanted to highlight this text as pink, this changes nowhere else. This is just unique to these blocks that exist here in this post. If I were to go to another post and paste all this content again, and maybe in this case I made this an H2 and I made it pink, and say I made the Refoundry list marker colors pink, then again, this has nothing to do with the same blocks and the same content that are on this page. And that's it. Just wanted to talk a little bit about regular blocks versus other types of saving layouts and sections within your site for management. If you have any other questions or want to learn more, feel free to reach out through our website or book a demo. We're always happy to help. See you in the next lesson.